What about AI on marketing, right? AI is good, to be honest. If you're gonna ask me, it is good, right? Because it's actually part of the technology in this time. We don't need to go against time. We need to go along with it, right? But people are afraid that you will lose your authenticity and the human touch, right? It's how you do it. You need to use AI as a tool. You don't use AI as something to replace your content or something to replace the human touch, your own skills, right? You need to use it as a tool. It can benefit you with brainstorming, with getting ideas, right? But you still need to do your own content. You need to be real about everything that you write, right? It's just an idea that can help you for automations, right? It's a tool that actually can increase your productivity. Work smart, not hard. And I'm not saying that you're not gonna work hard, right? What I'm saying, you still need to work hard, but you can increase your productivity on the amount of work that you're doing, right? So those are the things. And people are bashing about the AI is this, AI is that. Then do it. Then bash it, don't use it, right? But people will go ahead. You will be left behind if you are actually not using the technology that is available in these times. It's the matter of how you do those tools. Again, it is a tool. It's not something to replace you. It's not something to replace your skills, right? A real skillful marketer will use anything that would benefit their content, right?